We all know that humans are driving global warming and climate change in general. We all know what the answers are to fix them. The scientific community has already done the research and told us that. So what someone with an environment and sustainability studies degree is really concerned with is why as a society are we not making the changes to step in the right direction? And also with the on-the-ground field work of collecting the data to determine just how extreme the environment is changing and how quickly that's happening. So as a graduate in environment and sustainability studies, Rowan is really setting you up to work in a multitude of fields. The sustainability field in general is exploding. There's not enough qualified people to fill the positions. And these positions need to be filled if we're concerned about the future of the planet. In the field, you can work as a researcher for companies that are doing investigations into their impact into the environment. You're really advising the environmental scientists about here's what I've observed in the field, here's the conditions in real life. We're lucky here at Rowan to have this because it allows me to break into this new and exciting field. I'm from the suburbs of Chicago. I didn't grow up, with the ability to do this kind of stuff when I was a kid. And then the Army, I went around the world and I saw the way that humans are impacting the environment. So after a decade in the military, I transitioned back into academics, and I knew that I needed to make an equal or greater than impact to the negatives that I had caused driving Abrams tanks around the world. Once I realized that I could make a career out of being in nature and my connection with nature and the future of nature, it was a no-brainer. This isn't something that's offered in a lot of places, especially not with an advanced degree to finish an MBA. It's really the only opportunity in the area to kind of get this experience. Rowan just seemed like the natural fit. If you want to get in touch with nature and figure out how you can make a career out of that, then why wouldn't you go to a college that's in nature? It's just if you just stop and pause for just a minute and let nature kind of take care of itself, it's going to do the work for you. The issue is that we don't do that. We never give nature a second to breathe. So if we just give it a chance, we can make the changes that we need to make. And hopefully we can. Hopefully it got enough people interested, and hopefully programs like this continue to do well and we continue to fill these roles. But I am confident in my generation as well as the future generations to make the decisions to put us on the right path so my future children can see snow on the top of Denali in Alaska, and Glacier National Park still has glaciers. But that's what I'm here to fix.